Moving these props around to do the jump.
This is the actual board, the control.
Hello.
This is where I work on the weekends.
Hi, Mom.
That's my boss.
Hi, Trish.
That's my boss.
Hi, puppies.
That's Dan Butler.
I'm the sidekick here at the station.
The sidekick.
The exclusive AccuWeather forecast from Chuck Jones says today there's going to be nothing but sizzling sunshine. Hot and humid, a high of 96 tonight, though there's going to be clear moonlit skies, low near 70. More scorching sunshine tomorrow. And humidity, of course, we wouldn't be anything without the humidity. A high again, 96. Tuesday, though, look for a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Hot and humid, a high of 94. Right now it's about 74 degrees. I'm Daniel Butler. I've been sitting in for Brian Mason, who's out in California looking for Debbie Boone, Phil Driscoll, and a bunch of good grapefruits. So, Brian will be back in a couple of weeks. Right now, we're going to close out this morning's show with a heck of a basketball player, Michael W. Smith, from The Big Picture.
Same old someone that I knew. Oh, what will it take till you believe in me?
Yes, accurate. That's what focus right now. Okay, well, here's our tour of the radio station. Now let's go out and get a Coke. Oh, no, not a Pepsi, a Coke. Ah, there we go. All right. Okay, we gotta get back to the studio before the record's over. This looks like the right door. Hey, who's that down there?
Rock and roll 106.
Hey,
WLAC-FM.
is this a visitor from another planet? Okay, we're here interviewing the control board. Okay, well, this is where I work, and this is the WLAC-FM studios. And right here is the song that is playing. You want to hear it? That's Culture Club. All right. These are Tomcat cart machines, which are not compatible with the cart machines that are over here. And let's take a little tour of the station right now. Why don't we? Excuse me. Yes, right this way. Are we having fun now? Watch the door. Okay, let's go in here to where the Hoss Man does his show. This is where Hoss Allen plays gospel music, and it's kind of a rat trap, as you can tell. But we can listen to ourselves in here too. See? So this is called Production Room B. All right. Yes, let's keep going. Watch out for the Pepsi machine. Okay, back, Simba, back. Let's go into the newsroom. Let's find out what they do in the news area. What is this? This isn't 60 Minutes. What happened to wrestling? Wrestling was on a minute ago. Batman? Channel 30? Don't you want to watch Star Trek? Oh, that's a promo. Hey, listen, my record might be over. Let's go see. No, we got plenty of time. But better play it safe. Come on, this way. Okay, this is going to be kind of boring, so why don't we shut down for a moment.
In the studios of wonderful WLAC-FM, interviewing this wonderful lady on the poster here with the small baboobs and the large babam. Her name is Golden Summer, and she is going to be headlining the tour this year with the Beach Boys, the Marquettes, the Ventures, the Fantastic Baggies, Jan and Dean. Remember Jan and Dean? You know where they are now? They're selling used cars in Encino, California. That's exactly where they are. And we also have, coming up, we have the Beach Boys again, along with Jack Nietzsche. Remember Jack Nietzsche? He's now a pornographic filmmaker in Van Nuys, California, I think. And that's it for right now. Signing off. Thanks a lot. Tell the little woman we said hello.
It's a rare day, and we see Lou Moseley here at the station on Sunday. Lou, what brings you here to the Mighty 106?
Revco.
Revco?
Revco.
Why Revco?
Got to produce the spots.
Oh.
Hey, Tony.
I'll be out of there soon.
Beg your pardon?
I said I'll be out of there soon.
Have you told her that she has to take her clothes off before we finish this thing?
Yes, we'd like to call your attention to the fact that Lou is the model for the poster that is behind us right now. Pretty good looking shot if you ask me.